Basic 6?
And
Okay.
Okay, so should I talk
Yes.
now?
Mhm.
Okay. So what we're doing here is communicating using lights, so that all the communication data is streaming from LED lights. We're a software company working with a French hardware company with what's called Li-Fi. So we have one-way streaming, and we're showing music streaming through a light bulb. We have geolocation, which is used in anything requiring knowing where we are, indoor mapping, tracking people, sending people through a venue, how to get there. At the same time, we're sending up a lot of data analytics about people, because using the light with a receptor on the other side, in this case it's on a tablet, we know exactly where that person has gone because we track them through the lights. So it can be very precise. We're showing something on the table here that it's about 6 inches in terms of the, here's where when we put a tablet under here, it's going to show that we're in this location. If I do it under the other light, it will show, probably won't show up anything. It'll show in a different location. So it's presenting different information depending on what light you're under. Okay, so museums can use this to stream information to their museum goers, and then as the museum goers leaving, push them into the place they want to be. One of the advantages of this is not radio waves, which is Wi-Fi,
Right.
and that is getting very crowded already in certain environments. So connectivity is slow or even non-existent, and this is the ability to stream the internet through lights, which is completely outside of the Wi-Fi spectrum. So we have airplane manufacturers looking at this.
Right.
We have high-speed trains looking at this. We have, of course, museums, hospitals. It's great because radio waves conflict with
Yes. Yeah.
stuff.
And it's more narrow range, right?
I don't know. I think it's broad. I don't know. See, the minute we get technical, I'm lost. But I think the light spectrum is huge, and it's almost unlimited because the Wi-Fi bandwidth is almost full now.
But what I mean is the lights,
yes,
like they're
more
detecting
accurate.
a certain. Yeah, they're more focused on the area that they're detecting.
Correct.
Okay.
And we're also doing what it also, yes, this can be much more targeted and much more precise than, say, a beacon installation. But also, this is leveraging a lighting infrastructure so
That already exists.
that already exists. You're already paying for it. So you're paying for electrical, you're paying for this, for the whole system up there. And LEDs are something like 20%, 80% energy savings, and bulbs last 15 to 20 years. So that if you're leveraging, if you put in LEDs, you're leveraging a much more efficient network.
Okay.
And you're using your existing infrastructure instead of adding more. You're lightening the load on your Wi-Fi network, and you're getting a lot of precision. But also you're getting cool stuff.
Yeah.
We talk to retailers where, sky's the limit.
That is cool.